My daughter.
Yes, Mama.
Akwamwam.
Mama.
You know I love you.
Yes, Mama.
I cherish you so much.
Know, Mama.
Be my only daughter. Yes, I told you how I asked God, prayed, and gave me this big, wonderful woman.
Mama, I remember.
You still remember?
Yes, Mama.
See, for you to have a man that will look after you, in marriage, you're not in boyfriend, though, is good. But not to be desperate about it. Are you hearing me, my dear?
Yes, Mama.
Eh?
Yes, Mama.
You know you're a priceless virtue. Are you still in Christ?
Yes, Mama.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mama.
Virtue.
Yes, Mama.
Please. Where are you going to?
Coming,
I'm still talking to you and you're walking out of me.
I'm coming.
Eh?
Wait, I'm coming.
Good evening.
I thought I've told you to stop coming here.
Why?
Are you chasing me out from your own
But I
house?
have my reason for that thing.
Anyways, not like I came to disturb you in your own house. So something brought me here. Your boyfriend, your lover, I mean your own admirer, said I should come and remind you about the appointment you have with him tomorrow. He has been disturbing me on the phone. He doesn't want me to rest.
Stop saying
So I should
if my mom hears it, she might stop that move or she will eventually disown me.
Whatever. Anyways, I will be on my way.
Mama, I'm sorry. She came to tell me.
Tell you what? Tell you what, my love? We'll tell you what? I've been warning you about that girl. The way you're dating with that girl. Going out with this girl, I don't like it.
Why are you so selective about my choice of friends? She doesn't nothing wrong with her.
Don't you know that I'm an old woman? I'm a mama. Experienced mother. For me, there's an adage in Igbo they say, if you kenye no nani, tukulani, wefu. What are you rigulu uku iroko? Oman fotia.
Mama, you and this your parables. You are speaking in parables.
Hey, Imaro, if you're going with bad people, you equally people will see as bad equally. Darling Jesus, we worship you. Where are you going to? With this mini skirts? Where are you going to? Get back and dress up.
Mom, there's nothing wrong with this.
I say you should get back. Get back and dress up properly. Look at what you are putting on. In this house? No, not in this house. Hey!
Masha, you're okay with this one?
This one is better.
Mama.
It's better now.
I'll see you later.
See how beautiful you are looking.
Thank you, Mama.
All right. Go well, yeah? Okay. It pays to dress well.
Okay, fine, no problems, okay? You will meet me now. I'm on the same way with you, okay? How are you doing? What is this you're wearing?
Don't mind me, it's my mom. She insisted I change what I wear and wear this.
Really? This is your mother. She will never cease to amuse me. But no problem, Siki. I know what to do. Let's do.
Hello, fine babe. How are you? Oh, you're not looking bad. You're looking good. Wow. What are you waiting for?
My friend.
All alone here?
Yes.
Ah, your friend. Wow. Who's your friend?
You are not my friend.
Okay. I don't know your friend.
How are you?
Fine. What about you?
I'm cool.
Chuma, relax. I'm fine.
Hello?
Hello, bro.
Catch you, have fun.
I'm fine. Cool. Trust me, I've gotten the fish for the stuff.
Oh, how did you do that?
Trust me, I told my friend Betty that a friend needed a lady to cruise. She arranged one for me. She's here with me.
Okay, that's nice. So, are you sure she's okay for the future now?
Anyway, men looking at her, she's intact. But we have to confirm from the native doctor first. Come over, let's go there.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm on my way now. I'm coming.
Ha! There is no need. I'm here to run the test. Mpinone we na aboka jafonu. Ubosolo amaro ga si bia ata na afa ero. Uboseke ga dikwa egwu. She is nice for the sacrifice. I'm waiting. But you must remember, there is no external body shall touch her except people from the same brotherhood. The same brotherhood.
The wise one.
It's time to perform the sacrifice. Okirikiri ka na guko sadarian. Take this and kill her. Kill her. I said, drop it or how dare you? Come here. Hold these people. How dare you, Kanama, to disturb my business? You don't know I'm a spirit man. Go down.
Cannot do anything.
Go down. How dare you, Kanama, to interrupt my business?
Anything you do or say will be used against you in the court of law.
Never! Don't you know I'm a spirit man?
You cannot do anything. He that is in me is greater than he that is in you.
Hey! Okirikiri ka na buko sadarian. Mbi no we na boka jofon manu bo se keruo amoro ga si bia ata na afa eruo. Go! You see? I told you have no touch.
Come here. Move. Shut up. Stand up. Stand up. Move. I said stand up. Move it. Move it. Move it. Move it. Foolish man.
Thank God. Jesus Christ.
Carry on now, carry on.
Good day.
Good day.
My dear, how good is the day?
So good.
Oh, really? Well, I guess by the end of the day, you know how good the day is. Miss Petty.
Yeah. Wait. Like, who are you people? Like, how did you get to know my name?
Well, we are the police intelligence officers. And you are wanted immediately at the police custody to clear up the charge against the betrayer of a minor.
A minor?
Yes.
Really? Like, what are you guys saying? I don't understand.
Do you know one Miss Fortune?
Yes, she's my friend.
Well, said your friend.
Do you know Kachi and Mona? Do you know them?
Answer!
Yes.
You are going with us to the office.
Hey!
Come here!
Hey!
Move it!
Move it!
I'm not going anywhere.
Move it! Hook up Miss Petty. Move it!